He says this is the most strategic hard asset IPO in years because it tackles the real bottleneck for AI and Bitcoin, which is power. Is that true?
Yeah, again, as you've seen it, is we've got our largest publicly traded companies are involved in the sale of AI compute, and their embedded growth rates at 30 and 40 and 45%. They can't meet those growth objectives on a grid that can only grow 0 to 2%. And we just happen to have, again, we're at the epicenter of the gas infrastructure, the epicenter of the pipeline infrastructure. 4 major fiber lines, and I think we're one of the only real actionable large-scale nuclear sites in the country.
Talk about the stock for a moment, right? There's been some stocks that powered Bitcoin mining and things like that. They're making a conversion. One is called Iron, for instance. I'm sure you must know it. It's one of the hottest stocks in the market. Take a look at this thing, right? So it went from like $5 to almost $50, right?
Wow.
I know you don't want to talk too much about it, but you've got to be excited. Like investors watching this, it's up 20% today. What's the value? What's the value proposition to an investor right now?
I think that the world is short electrons in a very meaningful way, and any company that can provide electrons at scale is going to be a wonderful place to be. And the customer demand, again, our customers are the largest customer in the world for this type of exposure, is significant.
And let's one critic, one critic. Believe it or not, you got critics out.
It has to be you.
You still have critics out there. Golly, that means you had a hell of a career. That's all it means, right? It says all the red flags are there. No revenue, 13 billion valuation, powering AI by 2038. They also thought the nuclear component will be called the Donald J. Trump generating plant. So this person thought that was a negative.
Yeah, I think the key thing is if people read the S11, we're well on track to revenue in 2026 and revenue in 2027, that the customers that we are currently engaged in provide us very significant revenue growth. So this is not a company that is not profitable in 26. It may actually, well, I have to stay on the S11.
I got you.
Yeah, 27. But yeah, this thing that we're, and then when you look at the thing that I think they're really missing is this is the most tangible, real value asset in the world, in the sense that a land with this access to this many critical ingredients to generating AI at scale has a significant